Hey guys, how's it going? Chipopolis here, and today I got another video coming at you guys. It's an install video. I've been waiting on this one for a while. It came in about last week, and I'm finally getting around the time to install it. I was supposed to shoot like 3 videos today, change of plans, so we got some stuff for tomorrow too. So there's gonna be more regular content coming up to Florida, and I'm really excited for this one because it's gonna be a key piece for Florida and for the trip down. I don't know if you can hear it. I'm getting kind of sick, so you know what? Yeah, I'm getting kind of sick. It is what it is. All right, so I got the Mishimoto baffled catch can. I was really excited to get this. I saw Light Bright Studios. They did a video on the UPR catch can, and it kind of baffled me how much oil that was sucked up in the blow-by. So I decided to go and get one. I saw Mishimoto's coming out with one, and I thought, why not try that one out? A little bit after that, I actually picked up a sponsorship from Mishimoto. If you saw my Instagram, you guys would know that. And with that being said, I still paid full price for that. Well, it was their pre-sale price, so it was a little bit cheaper than full price. But anyways, that's beside the point. So we're going to unbox this thing and get it started. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Box o' goodies. So here looks to be the actual baffled catch can. We can take a look at this guy real. Guys, quality of this piece is nuts. I want to take it off, but they added a drain plug, so I don't know if you're supposed to take this one off. So there's the can itself. We got the mount over here, air freshener. It's always good to have. All right, before we get started, it is a lot colder than I thought it was going to be today. So, all right, that's a lot better. Let's get started. All right, guys, first things first, let's open up the hood. Next, with a 10mm socket, we're going to go ahead and remove our engine cover. You can also use a T30. Alright guys, next we're going to disconnect our PCV quick disconnect valves, and it's going to be down here. It's hard to see. It's a pain in the butt to get to. There we go. And right on the side of the motor. There is another hose attached to this. So disconnect that. And then you have a Christmas tree clip right here. With our Christmas tree taken out, we can go ahead and remove the hose. There we go. All right guys, next we're gonna remove the Christmas tree clip from this washer fluid mount. There we go. All right, next up we're gonna loosen these 2 bolts that we can make room for our catch can bracket. It's a 16mm. For some reason I don't have a 16mm wrench, so I'm using a 5/8, the closest thing I got. So let's get this done. Should be enough. Alright guys, next we're installing the bracket over the 2 loosened bolts. So we're about to make this small space even smaller. I love this. There we go. Now let's tighten her up. Come on. 12 points. I really hope you can see me struggling right now. Alright, then go and put your Christmas tree in the back of this. Right here. nice and out of the way. All right, next we're gonna be messing with the actual catch can itself. So we're gonna take our 2 half-inch aluminum fittings right here, and they're gonna get installed to the in and out. Make sure these guys are nice and tight with our 17 mil. You don't gotta over torque them. Just make sure that O-ring's sucked down into the body of the can and you're good to go. There you go. Okay. Now we're gonna remove this with an 8mm Allen wrench, and we're gonna put a fitting into our drain plug as well. That guy's tight. No wonder why. All right, let's get our drain plug. And we're gonna install this guy. Plastic threads, guys, be careful, do not strip it. We're still at our 17 mil here. Guys, their instructions said nothing about it, but I really want to put some Teflon tape on this. It just makes me feel a lot better. So yeah, that's all I'm doing right now. And looking at their instructions, this did go all the way down, so that's what I'm gonna do. All right, there we go. So our catch can is all set and ready to go. All right, guys, so one thing I noticed about this kit when taking out the drain hose, all the hoses, is that they're not labeled, but they're really easy to follow if you look at their instructions or my video here. The drain hose is gonna be the smaller hose with no quick disconnect clamps on it. And your 2 hoses that are gonna go to the motor have your quick disconnect attachments to them. These are obviously gonna go to the sides of the motor that already have it, and these ends are gonna go to the catch can. So really simple. Next step, we're gonna be taking our ball valve here and connecting it to our drain hose. And we're gonna use our smaller clamps here. Now we can take our 10 mil and tighten her down. That's not a 10 mil. We need a screwdriver for this. All right, that should be tight enough for that guy. Now do the same for the catch can side. And tighten up your hose clamp. Okay, next we're going to attach this rubber clamp to the bottom of our drain kit, drain hose, and we're going to run this throughout the Jeep. All right, next we're going to route this to the bottom of the engine bay, and we're going to install our catch can, making sure there's nothing in the way. And I have to move this over a little bit, make sure he's not getting hung up on anything. Send him all the way to the bottom. Okay. It's a tight squeeze, guys. And then you have 3 small button head bolts to secure this in place. Get our size small Allen, and we suck this guy down. Safe to say, just do a circle pattern like everything else that has circled. Alright guys, so Mishimoto gives us this 10mm nylock nut. I was originally really confused looking at the packaging, and then as I got down into it, I figured out there's a stud behind the wheel well where our drain hose is going to clamp to keep it in place. So I'm going to bring you guys down. It's behind the driver's side wheel, and I can show you where it goes. So I don't want to cut this clip so you can see where I'm going. Okay guys, so right there, I attached it to it right now. Right meow. Right up there. So I'm gonna do that real fast. Alright, so that's a nylock nut, won't be going anywhere. And another way to look at it, guys, here's my light, right behind the inner fender liner. Right behind there, that's where the bolt's going to be. Alright guys, we're going to take the longer hose and we're going to plug it in to the engine side of this PCV. Make sure to route this away from any high heat areas and moving parts. Next, we're going to install the quick disconnect portion to our intake manifold. Give it a nice good push. Gotcha. Now, install your hose clamp. See, this is what happens when my filmer isn't here. I dropped the camera. Lucky I caught that. Short hose to out, long hose to in. Easy day, guys. Alright guys, now go ahead and reinstall your engine cover. Alright guys, that's going to complete the installation of our Mishimoto catch can. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Do all the YouTube jazz. You know what to do. And subscribe if you really like it. I appreciate it. 2 more things before I get out of here. Make sure the drain is in the off position. That way you're not leaking oil all over the road. And make sure all your clamps are accessible, guys. It was a really easy install. I hope you enjoy it. And they also include this dust guard for the drain if you so choose to use it. One way or the other, it's a drain, guys. I'm gonna run it because why not? It doesn't hurt. Okay, so with that being said, thank you for watching. Tune in next time. We have more stuff coming, and you will see Florida. Florida's about 1,000 miles for me, so I'm gonna show you what the catch can pulls in 1,000 miles. So I'm gonna empty it before I leave, and then I'm gonna empty it again when I get to Florida. So stay tuned for that video if you want to see how much this actually does and how much oil this keeps out of your intake manifold. With that being said, guys, have a good one. Wait, before I leave and before I go, mailman came. Car wash stuff. Unboxing. Cockpit brush. I needed some more Ultimate Foam shampoo, interior cleaner, and then I also got some glass cleaner, guys, and edgeless microfiber utility towels. These things are awesome. So that's it. Adams also gave me a sticker. All right, guys, that's it. Have a good one.